We're rolling. Hey guys, GJ is here, back again with another video. Today I'm opening some Pokemon Steam Siege cards and some Hidden Moon and Steel Sun theme deck packs. So let's open up the small ones first. So we have Steam Siege. Catch them all. Just gonna put them this way so I don't see them. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Mankey, Fungus, Nidoran, Oshawott, Honard, Tangrowth, Pyroar, another Tangrowth, and Gardevoir, Spirit Link, and Lampent. There's the code. Next, move on to the next pack. Sorry if that was a little close, trying to open it correctly. Hold up. I think cutting it down this way is probably going to be easier. Nope. There we go. Sorry for how well. Here's the code. Sorry for taking a while. Gardevoir, Spirit Link, Clear, I don't know how to say that name, Greedy Dice, Gastrodon, and Bippon? Litwick, Joltik, Fungus, Bergmite, and Mareep. We didn't get any like shiny ones or hollow or whatever you call them. We might get one next deck or next card. Okay, code, Clang, Lampent, Braviary? Ooh. Mega Steelix EX. That's a cool card. Oshawott. Litwick. Reap. Actually, leave out that Mega EX for the cool Mega EX pile. Krogan. I don't even know. Tangela, and Rufflet. Okay. I think there's one more pack left. Yep, one more pack, and then we can move on to the Hidden Moon and Steel Sun theme deck packs. Whoa. Whoops. Being very careful of the cards. Okay, that's... scaring me. I really don't want to cut any cards. Code. Claw, Fossil, Anorith, Nuzleaf, Gardevoir Spirit Link, Bastodon, Fernape, Litwick, Joltik, Fungus, Bergmite, and Mareep. Okay. That's it from the packs. Now on to the Hidden Moon and Steel Sun booster packs. Just gotta open them first. Here's what comes in the pack. Move the scissors out of the way. Comes with Lunada, I think. Then code. And let's move that out of the way for a second. Comes with a playing thing, a thing to play. Coins. Talent coin, and another, and a plant. Well, that was a rule set. This is now the playing board. Let's move, and let's look at all the cards we get inside the Hidden Moon pack. A energy, Cosmoium, Energy Loto, whatever that is. How? I think it's how? I'm not sure. Salandit, I think. Energy. Oricorio. Snuffle, another Litwick, Energy, Timer Ball, Energy Retrieval, Energy, Gothita, Cosmog, Nest Ball, Energy, Beware, Gothorita, Professor Kukui? I'm not sure. Sorry if I butchered that name. Energy, Potion, Switch, Energy, Altar of the Moon, energy. How, energy. Snuffle, Authority. Oh, Mimic You. Another energy. Timer Ball. Beware. Energy. Salandit. Cosmog. Lunala. Or whatever that is. The one that we got at the start with the shiny version. Energy. Nest Ball. Cosmoem. Litwit. Energy. Lampion. Sazzle. Energy. Professor Kukui. Stuffle. Gothita. Energy. Switch. How. Rescue. Stretcher. Energy. And Cosmog. A lot of energies in that pack with the coin. Now on to the Steel Sun. Let's put that up here. The Steel Sun pack. First, let me put this over here. Now on to the cool Steel Sun pack. There. Oh. Okay. So Jaleo, whatever that is. Reflective coin again. Where is the other reflective coin? There it is. Is this the one I got? Nope. I don't even know where the one I got is. Some plain things. Oh yeah. Code. Energy, 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 beware. I don't know how to say that. Energy, Cosmoem, Cosmog, Beldum, energy, Swallow, How, energy retrieval, switch, altar of the sun, energy, timer ball, don't know how to say that, Professor Kukui, not sure, energy, Matang, nest ball, energy, tallow, rescue catch stretcher, snuffle, energy, slowpoke, energy, cosmog, energy, beware, slowbro, energy, how, cosmoem, tallow, energy, Professor Kukui, altar of the sun, Beldum, energy, switch, Matang, energy, cast form, slowpoke, timer ball, energy, Oricorio, how, Solgaleo, energy, Cosmog, Nest Ball, Energy, and Snuffle. Okay, so that was my video. It was opening these cards. The best card I think I got so far is this Mega Steelix EX. I don't know how rare it is, other than, yeah, I just don't know how rare it is. I mean, it has a star. But yeah, that's it. See you guys later. Bye.